What's the cost? قیمت څه دی؟ What's the cost? Bring books, pens, etc. کتابونه، قلمونه وغیره راوړه. Bring books, pens, etc. He scarcely eats. هغه په مشکله سره خوراک کوي. He scarcely eats. A sudden noise came. ناڅاپه आवाज راغی. A sudden noise came. He is Muslim. هغه مسلمان دی. He is Muslim. Evil must end. بدی ختمول پکار دی. Evil must end. There is danger ahead. مخې ته خطر ده. There is danger ahead. The battle started. جنگ شروع شو. The battle started. I wished for peace. ما د امن دعا وکړه. I wished for peace. Follow the command. حکم منا. Follow the command. I saw the notice. ما خبرتیا ولیدله. I saw the notice. Give me a piece. مال یو ټوکړه راکړه. Give me a piece. It's a political issue. دا سیاسی مسله ده. It's a political issue. My sister is kind. زما خور مهربانه ده. My sister is kind. He is trying hard. هغه سخت کوشش کوي. He is trying hard. Wear proper dress. سمې جامې واغونده. Wear proper dress. He started the work. هغه کار شروع کړو. He started the work. He is considered wise. هغه هوښیار ګڼل کیږي. He is considered wise. Smoking is not allowed. سیګریټ څکل منع دي. Smoking is not allowed. He expected help. هغه د کومک امید کاو. He expected help. کومک یعنی مدد. I feel joy. ما ته خوشحالي محسوسیږي. I feel joy. This is private land. دا خاص ځمکه ده. یعنی دا پرایویټ ځمکه ده. This is private land. The sun is bright. لمر روښانه دی. The sun is bright. The result is good. نتیجه ښه ده. The result is good. The government changed. حکومت بدل شو. The government changed. Their house is big. د هغوی کور لوی دی. Their house is big. The school is closed. مکتب بند دی. The school is closed. Sit down. کینا. Sit down. Pashto is my language. پښتو زما ژبه ده. Pashto is my language. That's my book. دا زما کتاب دی. That's my book. The house is old. کور پخوانی دی. The house is old. یا تاسو ویلی شئ The house is old. کور زوړ دی. Lahore is a city. Lahore یو ښار دی. Lahore is a city. Every individual matters. हर तन मुहिम دی. Every individual matters. He lives in the south. هغه په سویل کې اوسیږي. He lives in the south. No means no. د نه مطلب دی نه. No means no. I meant no harm. زما مطلب د زیان نه دی. I meant no harm. Food is ready. خوراک تیار دی. Food is ready. The road is wide. سړک پلن دی. The road is wide. Now it's fine. اوس ټیک دی. Now it's fine. A plan was formed. یو منصوبه جوړه شوه. A plan was formed. 1 week passed. یو اونۍ تیر وته. اونۍ یعنی هفته. 1 week passed. The world is big. نړۍ لویه ده. نړۍ یعنی دنیا. The world is big. 7 days a week. د اونۍ 7 ورځې. 7 days a week. اونۍ یعنی هفته. She has tears. د هغې په سترګو کې اوښکې دي. She has tears. Such things happen. داسې چلونه کیږي. Such things happen. I got an opportunity. ماته یو موقع میلاو شوه. I got an opportunity. He made copies. هغه نقل وخت کو. He made copies. Honesty has value. د ایماندارۍ قدر شته. Honesty has value. د دې سينورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره دا چینل PE1 سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو په دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.